When remote IT issues pile up, operations slow down, and finance sees the immediate impact in wasted labor and unpredictable invoices. 80% of IT professionals say supporting remote employees is critical, yet only 61% of non-IT workers agree their company prioritizes it. Jason Stitt, co-founder at IT Force, notes, "Remote support only works financially when every issue has an owner, a status, and a record leadership can review. Without a clean ticket trail, downtime estimates and issue ownership become nearly impossible to verify. A standardized ticketing system shows exactly what is open and what is blocking resolution. This means remote technicians can fix your endpoint settings or secure Microsoft 365 while your team keeps working. It also gives your leadership a reviewable trail for every security action. Faster risk review is essential when unusual logins or suspicious data transfers threaten your payroll files. Remote support closes patch gaps sooner and ensures your daily backups actually work without waiting for an on-site visit. From a budget perspective, remote services often carry 15 to 25% lower rates than on-site assistance. We use no monthly commitment and no penalty exit terms, so you can focus on performance rather than sunk costs. With over 25 years of experience supporting manufacturing environments, we know that a single workstation issue can halt your entire production schedule. You can read the entire article on the IT Force website to learn how to build a stronger remote support business case. Be sure to add this to your playlist so you never miss an update.